Can a body cream really calm you down, help you sleep, and reduce stress? I think so.
Hello, Kim Townsel here. Welcome back to my channel. Remember, it's free to like, subscribe, leave a comment below, share the video if appropriate. You can subscribe to a playlist by clicking on that and receive notifications for only what interests you. Today's video will review the Bath Body's Aromatherapy Moisturizing Body Creams, the ones that I like. These I've already used, but I have got to cut them open and get the last bit out. I've got a video up about that. I'll link it at the end. And I like them so much that I went back today and bought these. So these are brand new, never been used. I'm going to review the sleep, the comfort, and the stress relief.
The retail price on each of these was $15.50 a tube. Don't let that alarm you. Bath & Body routinely has sales on where if you buy 2 you get 1 free, or buy 3 and you get 1 free, or something like that, which reduces the price significantly. They also run specials and coupons frequently. The Confort body cream has vanilla and patchouli, but don't be alarmed. It's not overwhelmingly patchouli. It's not going to make you smell like a hippie or a head shop or anything like that. It's actually quite mild, quite pleasant. Here's the ingredient list. Bath & Body doesn't test anything on animals, and they fragrance with natural essential oils. All of their lotions are clear and creamy and feel really good on the skin. The sleep is lavender oil and cedarwood oil, which ended up being one of my least favorite scents. I think I may just be burned out on lavender smell, but it smells really nice. My favorite of the bunch ended up being the stress relief. In the store, I thought it might be too strong. It's eucalyptus oil and spearmint oil. But after I used it, especially at night, it really and truly does help me to sleep. I started using this, and people would nearby would just comment, "Oh, you're wearing stress relief from Bath & Body." I like this so much that I made a separate video about it that's already up. I encourage you to give these a try. Go into Bath & Body. If they're not on sale, tell them I sent you, and to give you a sale price. These 3 lotions are creamy. They feel good on your skin. Even if you're a man, you can use these at night to help you calm down. I know several men that use the stress relief cream on their feet, their chest. They use the spray and the candles. So give it a try.
Thanks for watching my video. Remember, it's free to like, subscribe, leave a comment below, share the video if appropriate, and until next time, take care and stay soft and moisturized. Bye.